Saw a cop walk in there, synced up. Bus is taking off right now. Walking over here. Where'd the piglets go? Where's the pigs? Where'd the pigs go? They hiding? There's the pigs. There's the piggies. They came out when I walked over here to the table again. I thought they were coming through that door. That's why I had my camera pointed at it, but they were coming out of that way. They came out right when I walked back over to the table. The pigs just left now? They just come in and leave? What are they doing? Wasting our tax dollars? They should catch a pedophile. No, I'm talking about the pigs that came in here. Are you one? Are you an undercover pig? Oh, there's the other pig. He's walking out right when I get my bag out. Right when I get my stuff out of my bag. There's the other pig. That's the one that I saw coming in the door when I walked up, when I was walking up, or when I was crossing the intersection.